When was Rocket Money released? Intro. Imagine a world where managing your finances is as easy as scrolling through your phone. No more juggling multiple apps, no more late payments, and no more stress. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's a reality thanks to an app called Rocket Money. But here's the burning question: when did this financial superhero first hit the scene? Building context. Before we dive into the release date, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Think back to a time when managing your finances was a daunting task. You had to manually track your expenses, pay bills on time, and avoid accruing interest. It was a time-consuming and stressful process. Enter Rocket Money, the financial app that promised to simplify our lives. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Rocket Money quickly gained popularity. But when did it all begin? The release date. The official launch date of Rocket Money was, insert release date here. That's right, it was in, insert year here, that this revolutionary app first made its debut. The release of Rocket Money marked a turning point in personal finance management. People were finally able to take control of their finances and make informed decisions. From budgeting to bill negotiation, Rocket Money had it all. Key features and benefits. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that made Rocket Money such a hit. Budgeting. Rocket Money's budgeting tools helped users track their income and expenses, identify areas for savings, and create personalized budgets. Bill negotiation. One of Rocket Money's most popular features was its ability to negotiate bills with service providers. Users could simply connect their accounts, and Rocket Money would automatically negotiate lower rates. Debt management. For those struggling with debt, Rocket Money offered tools to help manage and pay down debt more efficiently. These features, combined with its user-friendly interface, made Rocket Money a must-have app for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Impact on personal finance. The release of Rocket Money had a significant impact on personal finance. It empowered people to take control of their finances and make informed decisions. By simplifying tasks like budgeting and bill negotiation, Rocket Money helped users save time and money. Moreover, Rocket Money played a crucial role in promoting financial literacy. By providing users with insights into their spending habits and offering tips on how to improve their financial health, Rocket Money helped people develop better financial habits. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Rocket Money was first released in, insert year here. Since then, it has become a popular and trusted financial app. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, Rocket Money has helped millions of people improve their financial lives. Whether you're looking to budget, negotiate bills, or manage debt, Rocket Money has something to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.